Hey. We're going to. What's the name of the place?
Valley.
I actually don't know.
We're going to Hills.
To be confirmed.
Hi, Deb.
What's going on? Here he is.
Jay is on.
Hey.
GoPro.
Roll call.
Whoever looks like himself. Shark is back. Vaughan's still probably the best striker in the league. He's out for 5 weeks.
Hi everyone. Welcome to Yarra Valley, right? Yarra Valley, the winery.
Close.
Yeah.
Hey, everyone in the Philippines. Just wanted to say hello. Hope that you're doing well. I'm here with Jay.
Hi team.
We're about to go to a winery. Drink some wine.
Chill.
Have some pizza. Chill.
Yeah. Time for chill with the boss today. Summertime. So yeah, just to refresh.
That's it, just to refresh. So we've got the bus full of people here. Got all the girls, bus driver up the front. Got Sam and Ian. Got Lexi. And we got Paul who's asleep. Jono the CEO, he's crunching numbers. We got everyone back there.
Wait, there was a TikTok of you saying about gangbang or something.
Who's asleep? Look, Jasmine's a bit shy, so I won't keep the camera on her too long. They're a bit camera shy, so Lexi.
I don't know what happened, but like obviously that it impacted now just the kid, you know, even like the
Wow.
rest, right? Rather than like
Too many of them.
that's nice. Even the brain itself is that you can operate around like away to play the violin while they get the brain
What are they eating? Rice, grass. Oh. Do you think we can spot a kangaroo here? Hopefully.
And George, I mean, George was fucking handlebars, no, but it was like, so you're riding through this way, it's obviously on coming that way. No, I just want to have a quiet brunch.
Bit of background, we've been here since 2017 and we're owned by Brown Brothers now. So prior to that we were in the building just across the car park, and then we made all the wine on the premises. But now all the wine is made at Billabong.
You saw a cow? You saw a cow?
Yeah.
You saw a cow?
You guys can come forward. What do you want right now?
I like it. You like it?
I think some people jump with drinking right now.
That's fine.
Horses?
Horses.
So you're not a
They're eating dried grass or?
Yeah.
Mild and sweet.
This is really sweet for me. It tastes really sweet. She just said it wasn't so sweet. She thought, I don't know much about it. It feels really sweet.
Say between 9 and 13. My favorite is about 10. When it warms up, 1, you won't feel it so much right there, and 2, it'll be a lot more interesting. It's one of the few cold drinks that gets nicer when you're standing there in the sun.
Look at that view. Same for me, please.
Thank you.
Do you go each, like, who just picked top 10? Top 10, yeah.
Oh, that was reliable. Wait,
Who is it? Who is it? Tashi.
Tashi lost. Actually, you guys gotta guess. Actually, guess it. That's a good idea.
Wait, can you use the microphone because we can't hear back?
She's using the microphone.
I am.
Whoa.
Bubbly. Can you hear me?
It's Tash.
We can hear you.
I'm gonna guess Tash.
You already knew.
chemicals that take us higher.
Don't forget you said that.
Night's young, and it's just begun. She puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.